Hello everyone, Yaban here. In this video I have a very old model of KABA lock. This is a KABA 14, which is difficult to find any information about it. My lock is fully pinned and has a total of 14 pins in 3 rows. The two side rows have 5 pins each, and the top row has 4 pins. It is a older version of the KABA lock, which means that the pins are different size. They are larger and than those used in the new models like KABA Expert, Matrix, Penta and etc. The diameter of the new pins is 2.3 millimeters, while the diameter of the pins in the older models or versions of each model is about 3 millimeters. So the difference is quite large, and here I can show you the driver pin and the key pin in the new version. This is the new driver, and this is the old driver pin, and this is the new key pin. And here we have the old KABA key pin. So as you can see, the difference is quite big. Alright. What is a characteristic feature of older versions of KABA locks important in locksport? All pins are tapered, and it is extremely easy to do overset because the feedback is very mute, probably because of a bit of worn material. I will show the internals of this lock in a moment. I'll also add that the tolerances are very good. This is also what KABA is famous for. And this is what my key looks like. It's a key drilled for the mastering system, which is why there are so many holes. They only interact with 5 pins on each side and 4 pins in the top row. So here we have the left row, here we have the right row and the top row. Alright, so let's see the guts. So here are the guts from my KABA 14. As you can see, we have 14 pins here. All of the pins are tapered, so each pin will drop when setting the next one, which means that each pin will have to be set several times. And as I mentioned, in the older KABA models with large pins, the pin tapering is very effective, and it happens that we have to correct each pin even dozens of times. So all the drivers are tapered. As you can see on the top part of each driver pins, we can see the tapering section. Key pins are tapered as well in the bottom section of each key pin. We have slightly tapering. Sometimes you can find the key pins of this type with the spoolet part, which can confuse you. If you do an overset, it will give you a counter rotation on the core. Here we have the second pin of this type. In addition, if you do an overset, in this configuration you will almost sure fail to drop this pin and will have to start all picking over again. Here I will add that sometimes it is possible to rescue the situation when you do an overset in high pin count locks. Just you have to gently and with pulsation release the force from the tensioner, and here some pins dropped. Most often the ones that drop are those in the overset position, but this is not the rule. So it is always worth to try to rescue the situation, but not always it will be possible. Okay, so that will be all from the internals. The car, nothing special about it, nothing in the key pin jumpers, just straight holes. So let's pick this lock. Alright, KABA 14. So let's pick this lock, clockwise tension, and I will start from the left side. Number 2. Again number 2. Little click on the 3. Click on the 4. Now the top pins. And again the left side. Number 2, 3, 4 and 5. And number 5 from the right side. Right. So number 2 on the left, 3 on the left, number 4 on the left, 5 is good. Now the top row. Right, some little clicks on them. left row again, and the top row again. Okay. I think the left side is set. Top pins looks set as well, so now the last pin, and we have an open. As you can see, my tensioner was dropped down. That was because of the really heavy tension to these tapered pins. Right, let's get this lock. Forgetting older version of the KABA lock, you need to have a follower with the 12mm diameter. I have one made it from the some drill. Okay. All right. All pins are outside. So that will be all with this lock. That was KABA 14. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.